All right, now we are going to practice our sound. You can find this sound with a B after it, as in ebb and flow, ebb and flow. We have ek, as in Ecuador, and in Czech, and neck. Neck and neck. We were neck and neck. Ed, as in Edward, read, the past tense of read. Medical, dead. F, as in effort, deaf. It fell on deaf ears. Egg, as in egg. I bought a carton of eggs. Edge, as in edge. And hedge, hedge fund. Edge, as in treasure. Pleasure. L, as in help. Tell. M, as in empathy. And them, when them is stressed. When them, the word them, when it's not stressed, it's them. N, as in enter. End. Friend. Ep, as in jeopardy. Epic. Step. S, as in estimate. Best. Et, as in pet. Bet. Met. Again, the T can be pronounced t as well, so pet, bet, met. Or you can kind of kill it with your throat here, bet. We have ev, as in ever, never, rev. Ez, as in mesmerized, mesmerized. And peasant, that's a funny word. Esh, flesh, mesh, etch, as in sketch. We have eth, as in method, and meth. Meth is a very dangerous drug. You shouldn't do meth. Ev, as in feather, leather. Leather products can be very expensive. Those were your practice words. Good luck with your eh.